Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable developer tools in Discord, also known as the Inspect Element panel. Now this isn't something that's turned on by default. Discord actually hides it unless you do a little workaround, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the whole process step by step. First, let's open up your Discord desktop app. Now try pressing Ctrl+Shift+I. You'll notice nothing happens. That's because Discord disables DevTools unless you're in development mode or using a mod. So here's the workaround. We'll install Better Discord, which is a popular mod that unlocks hidden features like themes, plugins, and yes, developer tools. Go to your browser and visit betterdiscord.ap. Click on the download button. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. Choose Install Better Discord, then select your Discord version, usually the default one, and hit install. Once it's done, Discord will restart. You'll notice a new section in the settings menu called Better Discord. That's how. You know it worked! Now try pressing Ctrl+Shift+I again. Boom! The Developer Tools panel opens on the right side, just like in Chrome or other web apps. You can now inspect elements, check console logs, and even modify styles or run scripts. This is super useful if you're building custom themes or debugging plugin issues. Just remember, Better Discord is against Discord's terms of service. So only use it responsibly, and never use it to exploit anything. And that's it! You've now unlocked Discord developer tools with just a few simple steps. If this video helped, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.